Welcome to the Crypto Angel channel. I'm going to go look at a coin I haven't looked at in a while. I want to go look at JASMY. I used to look at this all the time, and it's been a very long time. So I'm going to look at the daily time frame and work my way down. Wow, on the daily time frame, you're oversold, but you're very bearish below the 200-day moving average. This is a coin that a lot of people have forgotten about. Crazy enough. It's not that crazy. It's kind of a dead coin. The 12-hour time frame is below the 200. The 8-hour time frame is below the 200. The 6 hours probably below the 200. The 4 hours below the 200. 3 hour below the 200. 2 hours below the 200. 1 hour below the 200. This looks horrible. So let's kind of go back and see what's going on. So this is kind of what I see going on. To me, got to the top of the pattern, broke down, and eventually it looks likely that you're going to take out this wick low, especially in a bear market. When I see something make a chart make a crazy wick like that, especially in altcoins, maybe not so much in Bitcoin, but usually in any asset, you take out that wick, especially if you're in a massive bear market. So here's kind of what I see going on right now for JASMY. It looks more likely that we are going to continue to fall to the downside, and that's just what I see going on. I see this as a descending triangle, by the way. These break down 68% of the time. So I'm just trying to see where it was the last. So you take it from this crazy wick here to the last time it was overbought, which I would say would be this wick up here. Right? Right there. That's pretty close. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then that's telling you, so that's a negative measurement. Let me make sure I did that right. Even if you just took it from right there, what's the measure move? Still be negative. So I would take that with a grain of salt. I mean, I don't believe a chart can go in the negatives unless it gets rugged. I would take it to this yellow line, though. This is not working very well. What is happening? We'll just do it like that. Because I want to go to from yellow line to yellow line. That gives you, that's still negative move. So I would just, okay, so anytime I see a negative measure move, that can't happen, right? But I at least see you coming back down to 42.54 before getting in balance. At that point, we can reevaluate it. So what I'll do is I'll set an alert at that price level. And if we do come down to it, which seems likely, I will be alerted. So I'll do 43 and we'll see what happens. And then from there we can reconvene. So if we come back down here, I'll be alerted, and then we can either take a long there or look for another short on the smaller time frames. But a chart cannot go into the negative, so I would not short that to zero, unless it gets rugged. And I mean, it's been around so long, I think that's pretty unlikely. So we'll see what happens, but at least short term, I would be looking for a retest of about 0.0043, and that's about 20% lower than where we are right now. That's my update on JASMY. I see more downside for JASMY, and that is what it is. If you guys enjoyed these videos, make sure you guys hit a like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. If you guys have requests for other altcoins that you want me to look at, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be live tonight, 9 p.m. Central Time on YouTube and TikTok on my new TikTok channel. The trend is referring to the end right now. The trend is to the downside. I'll see you guys in the next one.